Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nneka Queen TV. My people, how now day my people, I don't call with this latest so now know this our beautiful actress where they call Ebony of Obasu.
I love to see
so she can't come and she can't provoke where she provoke where come they blast her later where you use fake account they comment for her say no only birthday na she dey celebrate say she not dey celebrate other thing apart from birthday say wetin she don achieve say she never achieve anything na she come provoke she come blast the way say she not be eka gum she not go do eka gum starve herself because say she wan achieve something and she dey help people well she dey touch people life well say she not be eka gum say if he achieve anything he go come and come dey flood the thing for social media make people see then know wetin she don achieve she come provoke well na know say this her matter anytime wey her matter show for social media people no dey use am lightly at all and we know say where she dey talk she dey throw word give her fellow police wey be say e build house e come show am for social media everybody come dey congratulate her so she come provoke well no be small thing for the video wey she do so my people come say make I present this matter if una watch am finish make una no forget to drop una comment for the comment section for wetin una think about the video wey she do so I come say make I bring the matter come out abeg if una finish watch am una subscribe to my YouTube channel Nneka Queen TV bye see you for my next video.
So only one girl na dey do am when they pack people they pay people bills they support people only one person. Nobody they try out. You dey mad? You won't run. When a week, sometimes I'll blow 300k for 1 week. You dey mad? I be your mate. Are you stupid? I bless people. I support, and I'm proud of it. Some of them are watching me. Nobody will ever write me say, "Hey, Bonnie, I need your help." Man, no send her money. If I show you it, transfer. My friend is a living witness. Now she had a send on my receipt, so she knows. She's here watching me. Or she watch it, she know you dey Chris. You mad there, Ebony, you dey well. So you want to tell me I want to live my life. When that time come, everywhere go see you. So relax. Okay? Yeah, people. If you don't reach Ebony, you now want that. Now let me be artist with it. Okay. Well, only two of us name now they reign for this industry where we're Shami and my beautiful sweet sister. It's a sign that we are the biggest in this industry. It's a sign. Because only two of us that they talk about. Type our name for YouTube. Go come on. Type that one. You don't see anything. Now we be toppest star for this Bini. Ma Rain. Ma Buduwemi. Ma Luigo. Igo Ovima. Ima Ovigo. Igo Ovima. Get we go for Chester 700 kete bahe. Once. Iwano. Wameme. I don't get time, oh. Nobody at the talk your book where nobody go say no pass through me when no benefit one thing. Financially. Everything may go my cool. I don't care. I dey bless people anyhow. I dey support them. Best don't ask me for help December. I dey prepare for my show. I dey prepare for my show. He asked me for 200,000. She asked for 200. I give her 100,000 cash. And she dey come from my house. No be one, no be two, no be three, no be four, no be five, no be six, no they mad. Who are there? Una see una meet, no they know. I bet I supposed to blow my trumpet for social media. Are you stupid? How many years are you there? What's your business with my age, man? Are you mad? Are you bumming? Even if you're 100 years, it can sign. I use your money. People are talking money, you're talking nonsense on social media. They don't get a life. I don't watch you, I don't like on social media. If I don't like you, I don't watch you. If I don't like you, I don't see your posts. If I don't like you, I don't fucking care what you're doing. Then they say, if I don't do job this time, I know they listen to comments. Hey, comment to women. Who may here? Not the craze. So I see something, I know they know. I don't know what more they cast ourselves on social media. Man, I don't want to mention names. I they bless people in my own little way. Go say, nah, if I want to do what people they do, I don't do it since. I get taste. If not that one, I won't talk. If I want to do what people they do, I get taste. And if the time come, I will see them. I be a car. Here I go. Nonsense. That's the way go. Your day. What to blow it? Not a mad. That's the boy you are. I don't get sense. Some of them need to be talked to. Some of them don't get sense. Even if you have fake accounts, I don't say later they'll come watch and so now they do it for my fans. What do you now? Now man, those haters will not get sense. In here we live video now. Show me your bank account. No, see how much they. Now they mad. Because I want to what I know eat, I know bless people, I know help people. Because I want what I want. Who I want. You dey crazy? If I don't marry now, I go there. Wow. What do woman they achieve when never achieve? What did they achieve? Say I never marry, I never born. So what? So what? Nah, chief title. Your pikin won't come feed me. If you like, you born your pikin day 20 years. I can't born my pikin day 1 year. Never see a man of 50 years when they do get man for a boy of 20 years. You did crazy. Don't get it twisted, guys. Don't get it twisted. Anytime you born your pikin, born my love, send me your account detail. You hear my love? Anytime you born your pikin, born her. Anything you achieve, you do one. No can be gbesi wone. No can anything gbesi wone ya. And when I say you see do your own. Back that up for me. No worry, left my people. I am living well. I'm living well. As in, yeah. Money what they spray for party in a week. Some people go get some. I don't want to talk now. What let me talk. I don't say I don't get control. I don't get control. I don't get control. Sometimes I go dance 1 week. I go blow no less than 200,000. They support people. When I feel stupidity, no be stupidity. Oh, now waiting God say my call life can't do. And that thing where they on a mind, I don't depend now. That's why they feel say don't do now since. But we get it. We know what we want. So we not shut up. The Chris. I didn't let them know achievement key. I not use 100 years. They achieve what I achieve. The day when I die and I run and I scatter and I do everything, you bug good to you. You go stupid, am I your mates? It will choke. I get vision, I get dream. Money when I take do film, Nagi wife, 2019 was 3.5 million. Now I blow for Nagi. I paid your Ledoche a millionaire. When I take do that film, 3.4 million. I paid hotel for all my casts. I do confuse man. I know how much I spent. Over 3 million as well. You dey crazy? You are very stupid for coming to my live video to say that nonsense. Am I supposed to celebrate my birthday? If I don't celebrate my birthday, what I won't celebrate? Now the matter will say you say I not be their mate. I not be their mate for anything. I see they talk only one person. I had a chest with you and a chest. I have only one person. I show you back account. I bet brand it down. More show account balance. I know they brag. They play the show. So I don't feel go hungry because say my mates they do waiting that they do. Your life will be my life. My life will be your life. I don't live my life the way I want. And I don't care what people say. You see me, Ebony Obasi, I don't fucking go to post pages to see what they post. I don't. Especially if I don't like you. Hey. Fuck. I don't care what you're doing, bro. I'm sorry. I don't care. I don't care what you do. What's your business with my birthday? My love is tomorrow, Jared. Tomorrow is my birthday. And my brother came to spoil me with some money. Now what? One riffraff. One stupid fake account. When people were saying they don't even boast of 50,000 for their accounts. Come they talk to me on my live video. Are you mad? Are you crazy? You don't know your mates? Man, if your body is small, then they're mad. More than cut them more. I said they cut my video, but they put them for whatever they want to put. I don't care. And anything that comment for that, everybody want to comment, we will comment and we block your ass and I'll lay a curse on you. Because my brother or my sister. You work here, not they mad. And they bless people. Okay? And I'm proud of it. They play the show. And they bless people. Which of I made to be chest 100k, 200k dash person? They want to support and say anything they happen to them. I'm any of your picture, and only one person. Only one person that is trying for this thing. As we all today, only one person. The cell na come and tell and say, na bone na come to work. But when one, Ezeka one of the universe. Right, man. You work it. This bed, you know how much you work collect for my only food and drink is close to 800K. The Chris, they born you with. So my people, and tomorrow we are cooking tomorrow as well to entertain my people. And thanks to my godmother, she said she go sort them. I be not call my person say, come collect money, may go buy what you want to cook. I go on Ma Louis go. He go Louis ma. We dey use our brag and they use money. You know see you builders get 3 houses, get 100 cars. Oh, here. Now they crazy. How many of them go fit carry pet daughters? Oh, wa run no dey school we don't know wanna no me say who lele una dey who kwa nene. You work. I build a godmother. He dey play the show. Rubbish people. You won't come and live because they say you've not achieved. Am I supposed to come and tell you what I've achieved so far? Are you a mad person? If you want us to brag, let's brag, bro. I have your body yakere. I have your body yakere. Why worry, yeah? No, it's good to achieve. Oh, if for a woman, if I get 20 houses, that many houses stay. Now my husband has to go stay. Even if I build 100 houses now, am I going to stay in my house? Am I going to stay there? Not my husband has to go there. Now my husband has to. I won't marry. I won't marry. My birthday last year, my 15th year anniversary last year, my godson spread me 500,000. Do you know why he spread me? Because while he was in school struggling, I was supporting him. Today is a big boy. I invest in human beings and I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of it. Are you crazy? How much of it dash person? They mad. I be your mate. This hair where they my hair, so I buy her for her 200,000. Ask her. I bought and I paid cash. Now they crazy. If hair they hungry me to buy, I'll buy another. This is my birthday. Sorry, darling, I bought 4 hairs. And you know how much each they cost. I begin to give out the one my friend gets. So I know they talk anyhow. That don't even know you. My friendship, you know everything now. Miss Rita White, you don't know that yet. Don't be right from time. Oh, mama get the mayor broke my people. Right from time they see money, they hustle well. Now get the point now. Come my page when they tell me no achievement of young good. I invest in human beings. They're mad. The very day I acquired my land, that was the day I laid the foundation and started my building. Take this message to who sent you. Go tell them saying I saw everybody talk. If you want to ask, I'll tell you where it is. Eh? The village, na Sapler Road, inside town. The Chris. I be that bit. It choke, Abi. It choke. All of us get taste. Say, no for work, man. You if you want build 1 room a parlor, me if you want build duplex. If you want build duplex, if you want build 10 duplex inside one house. Everybody get it today. I've blessed people. I've touched lives. Am I supposed to come and tell you, people, I don't go buy land though. People, I don't go buy house, so don't go there. I will do what I want to do when the time comes. Rubbish. And it's crazy. I can't say on a corner. I can't come my page. You gonna feel me when I go. Wow. So Mona look here, Mona look here. Mona look here. Come, let me tell you all of you, as my there so. Okay, so at this age, I don't get relationship, I don't get man for my life. Now they crazy. I don't get sense. How is that possible? Or if I can't get my husband, I can't say, see my husband, I can't showcase him. I know showcase him. Why you do I don't showcase am. If I don't see marriage, I don't go no. Since I don't post my marriage for Facebook, why me baba na? Why no I marriage? What's the big? What's the big? Because I feel even.